Okay, so this is kind of a cool little spot. I haven't seen this before. This is kind of a, it feels kind of suburban. There's a big sign right there, but then over here you have some Yoho Park. So you got this. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So you got this. We're just gonna see what Yoho Park is exactly. But it looks like it's some kind of restaurant here. Café de Bonnier. I guess it's in maybe Portuguese or French. And it looks like there's a fitness club here. And it's called, and there's like a bunch of, I don't know what's at the top, there's a bunch of flowers. So, fitness club. And that flowers looks like there's probably nice space up there. Oh, it's a mall. Looks like a brand new mall. So, okay. Yeah, it looks nice. There's an escalator that goes to the top. Maybe we'll just walk up there real quick and just see what's in here. So Pacific Coffee, that's all over Macau. I don't know if I can bring this in here or not. But yeah, it looks like there's, I'll just stop right there, but you can see it's just kind of a typical mall. Maybe I'll turn it off and then. Okay, so we're kind of inside the mall. I'll just kind of show you what it looks like. And we're just gonna try to go outside if we can. Pull. And just see what it's all about. Yeah, it looks like there's a bike lane up here, walking lane, flowers, more flowers, so you can go up another one. It's called the Citizens Art Center. Oh, it's pretty cool. So you can see this. Actually, I think this might go back down the hill again. Oh, that's cool. I think this is built on a hill. And it looks like it's brand new. I don't think it was here before. So we're basically on the ground floor, and we just went up the escalator up into the second floor, and we could have went up another one up there, and it looks like it's all built on a hill. So this is actually ground floor up here again, but we're gonna go down and I'll show you with the camera. So we're just gonna, oh, it all looks brand new. So yeah, there's the front of it. Huh. And straight ahead you can look into the city. Straight ahead would be Macau. Looks like on the corner it says club. So I think earlier I was in the bar club district or whatever that's called. And looks like there's other ones around too. So that was just the main spot. But they're okay. And that's the shopping mall right there. So we'll just finish it right there and conclude. So, okay. Chiquinha, chiquinha.